Hello everyone, this is Philip Mann with Kappler. About a year ago, I did a blog on the AAMI Levels of Protection. And of course, again, AAMI is the Association for the Advancement of Medical Instrumentation. And they have 4 performance levels for gowns and coveralls related to the barrier performance of the fabric and seams. And I wanted to do a follow-up on that blog to go a little deeper on that topic. So today, the AAMI Levels of Protection start with level 1, which is the lowest. And this is classified by a particular test method that is written by the American Association of Textile Colorists and Chemists. And this particular method uses what is referred to as an impact penetration test, where you place a piece of blotter paper on an inclined plane and you cover it with your protective material and you spray the fabric from above. And then when you're finished, you take the blotter paper and you weigh it to see the weight gain that has occurred. And it allows a certain weight gain. And for level 1, it can be up to 4.5 grams. Now that's a very low level challenge test as compared to the things that we're used to, like ASTM 1670 and 1671. Which will come later. And so that's for applications where there would be a very low chance of exposure, not dealing with infectious diseases or other bioorganisms of that type. And then we go to AAMI level 2, which is a step up. And this does involve applications where blood or body fluids may be present. And again, it uses the same AATCC impact penetration method, but then it also adds another method that we refer to as hydrostatic resistance. And that test method, the hydrostatic resistance test, is a little more challenging. When we go to level 3, this is for exposures to blood, intravenous work, and that sort of thing. And both the same 2 AATCC methods are used, but in level 3, they both require higher levels of barrier than level 2. And then, of course, when we get to level 4, that is ASTM F1671, blood and viral penetration resistance, and you have to have a pass to that method. So that's kind of the breakdown of the details of the level of performance necessary to achieve those AAMI levels. Now, more importantly is to apply the performance of our products to those various levels. And so for level 1, we would suggest a Provent fabric with a surged seam would meet those levels. As you go up to level 2, again, our Provent fabric, but it would require the use of a bound seam or an ultrasonic seam. When we go to level 3, we can use Provent fabric or Provent Plus fabric in a taped seam configuration. And then, of course, when we get to level 4, it would be a Provent Plus fabric in a taped seam configuration. Now, I must point out that we are not currently marking those products to those AAMI levels. All we are doing is looking at the performance requirements and suggesting what particular Kappler product would suffice for that application. I hope this information has been helpful. If you've got any questions, please contact us at Kappler.com. And I look forward to seeing everyone again real soon. This is Philip Mann with Kappler.